Hi, everybody. Welcome to the weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. From Vietnam to Jamaica, Miss Global 2025, Nguyen makes a royal visit.
What y'all know about it?
My name is Nguyen. You can call me Van for short. I'm Miss Global 2025.
The Vietnam native touched down in Jamaica Wednesday evening, receiving a warm island welcome from Jamaica's Carrion Greenwood, first runner-up at last year's international pageant.
When I saw Curry at the airport, it also feels like just yesterday. We just yesterday holding hand on the stage in the Miss Global International.
Picking up special keepsakes, a token of gratitude for taking care of Greenwood while competing in Asia.
I got it from Paris, the creative director of Miss Global Jamaica, and he gave it to me and he said, "This is to thank you for you to taking care of our Queen Perry."
Aww.
Yeah. This is really touching, and so far it's matching all my outfits. Oh my God, it's meant to be, right?
And as the saying goes, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. Van is more than ready to dive into Jamaica's famous flavors and local cuisine.
Oh my God, I just got a most wonderful breakfast here. So it's a kalulu with the sauce, macaron. Oh my God, it's like a buns, fried buns. Oh my God, I love it so much. And I eat it with the pepper, the most chili, like spicy pepper here, which is Asian. So I love spicy food, which is why me and Carrie get along in Thailand, because we like spicy food. We love Thai food. We got the ice cream from Devon House that I don't get the chance to try it yet. So this must be the first thing I'm gonna do after this interview.
Plenty of laughter and light-hearted moments with the mother of two, but when it comes to humanitarian work, Van means business.
In Vietnam right now, I have the project that I work with the deaf and mute kids. So we do all the painting, and through the painting, they make books, and the books will tell their stories. Because to me that when children cannot talk and cannot hear, they can develop their sense of arts very good.
Her first visit may not be over yet, but Van is already counting down to her next trip back to the 876.
Hey, please, Jamaica.
Showed up. Shawty. What it do? Yeah. No. Pimpin'. Oh boy. What y'all know about it?
Adidas' hit Evo SL running shoe is getting a special makeover for Bob Marley, which is expected to be released on, you guessed it, February 6th. The Bob Marley x Adidas Evo SL combines the colors of Jamaica and the Rastafari movement, along with other flourishes for the reggae icon. The legendary musician's estate first made its partnership with the German giant official with a version of the SL 72 in 2024. Now, Marley was well known as a soccer fan outside of his music, and Adidas previously made a jersey for Dutch club Ajax referencing the singer. That's it for your weekend edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.